Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe down below. So right now I just want to do my normal skincare routine, which I always do when I'm going to sleep. So I'm going to use this cotton and this rose water and this neem oil, and then that is just it. So I just want to put a bit of it on the bottle top, and oh, you know what, I'm just going to dip this one in and just go and apply it all over my face. So my face is clean. I'm just from showering, so I'm just applying it all over. So I use the rose water as a toner, then I just let it dry. Dry. So I want to go ahead and apply this neem oil. It is from Femi Organics. So just just want to use just like one drop is enough for me. So just warm it in my hand and then just put it on my face. So that's it for today. So thanks for sticking by, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, welcome and subscribe to be part of the family. Be blessed.